there, YouTube. France Hopper here. It's been a while, but today is Saturday, September 30th, and we're up here in Vancouver, Washington at the brand new Mill Plain Transit Center. And yeah, this is a proper transit center. Once again, TriMet could actually learn something from C-Tran. But we're here because it is the preview day of the Vine Red Line, which officially opens tomorrow. And this is just huge. C-Tran's definitely gone all out with wrapped buses and such. And funny enough, we didn't get one of the bendy buses here, actually got one of the battery electrics. So I have finally gotten one of C-Tran's battery buses. But yeah, this is actually a very, very nice transit center. It reminds me a lot of the Van Mall. Here are some of the services that'll be serving it. And indeed, the Red Line will be frequent bus rapid transit. Now, this is just a very well done transit center. Plenty of art to take a look at. Plenty of buses to catch from here for sure. And what's interesting is the hop validators are back on the platform, which is very odd because you still have the hop validators on the buses. But line 92, line 80, and it just keeps going and going and going with the service that you'll be able to get here. There it is. One of the bendies that'll be coming to Mill Plain starting tomorrow. So same buses pretty much that the Green Line has, just obviously with Red Line added to it. You will also be able to catch the Current from here, which I think is probably one of C-Tran's smartest services, where it's basically ride hail, you know, like an Uber or a Lyft, but for the same price as a regular old transit. Of course, got a little rest area for the operators. And if we circle back around, we'll take a look at all of the other bays, because yes, this has got a ridiculous amount of bus bays. So here's the drop-off. Plenty of bus bays, so easily very expandable service. Here's a bay for the 30, couple platform ticket machines, plenty of bus shelters, and no more in it displays, which is interesting. They're using Sunbright TVs. It'll be very interesting to see how long those hold up with the sun. And even more hilarious, somebody forgot to cover up the buttons. I have a feeling there's some work to be done here still, but if we pop out here real quick, there is the one and only mini C-Tran bus. And yes, that is actually drivable. That is not just for display. Back around here to the beginning again. And of course, because it is a transit center, there's plenty of parking over there. There's a few spots that are reserved for Clark College, but I think more than enough parking available down here. And here we are back at the beginning. So there you have it. That is the brand new Mill Plain Transit Center, opening tomorrow. Go by transit.